Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Home Depot project calculators. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So in order to go ahead and navigate the tool first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into the Home Depot website. It's not actually available on the application. Once you're in the website, all you need to do is simply go ahead and navigate to the project calculator section and then find the specific calculators for materials like concrete, drywall, fencing, or tile. Measure the length and width of your area for your project in feet. Then enter your measurements into the calculator for complex non-rectangular spaces. Divide the area into smaller, manageable sections. Calculate each and add them together. For items like concrete or mulch, input the desired depth to determine the volume. The calculator will provide the necessary amount of materials needed, reducing waste and extra trips to the store. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.